everyone, this is Beverly from danceScape.tv, your virtual dance studio. And this tutorial is for those of you who are already monthly or annual danceScape members who want to access the replays of the live online classes as well as other bonus videos. So those of you who are on the monthly and annual plans, you will either be fitness only, you will be dance only, or you will be everything. So let's go through to see how you're going to access those replays and the bonus videos. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are on danceScape.tv. So just go to danceScape.tv on your browser, and when you bring that up, it will look like you see here on the screen. And when we look at this, we see a black bar at the top underneath the logo. And what we're looking for is the Member Live online classes. So as we take the mouse and just scroll over that, as you just mouse over, you'll see the third option down is Member Video App, danceScapeTrainerize.com. So all you need to do is simply select that. So we're just going to click on that option. It will load the area for the email and password information on the Trainerize app. So if you have been here before and you have clicked Stay Signed In, your email and your password will automatically show. If you want it to show automatically, just make sure that that box is ticked off. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the right-hand side where it says Forgot Password, and you will be sent an email to reset your password. But all is good here, so we're going to go right in and sign into the program. It's now currently loading the app. And as we see on this screen, there's a lot going on the screen, but quite frankly, all we really need to be interested in is where it says Training Program on the left-hand side. So you're going to click on Training Program. And again, now it's going to load the page. Now we have unlimited access, so we get to see all of the classes. And for those of you that also have unlimited, you will see that. If you are only on the fitness only, that's what you will see. Fitness only classes, dance only classes. So this particular page is, again, it gives me all the classes, but if I just scroll down, what I want to show you here is at the very bottom of the screen, I get numbered pages. It starts with 1, and then you see the back end of the pages. For us, it's like 34, 35. Okay, you'll probably just have a few pages in here. As well, at the top of the screen on the right-hand side, it says search for workout. So there you want to use search terms. If it's the danceScape at home series, you can basically put at home. If it's ballroom, you can put ballroom, salsa, whatever. So that's your keyword search for looking for the classes that you're interested in. So we are going to, and I'm just going to see here, let's have a look. I want to get into the danceScape at home series. And I believe that is on page 3. I'm just going to go look on page 3. And I get, that's the starting of my danceScape at home series. This is done in alphabetical order. So just so that you know, that's what we're going to go into. I'm going to go into 4. I'm actually going to look for the dance tone fitness program. So I'm currently on page 4, and on this I'm seeing the I see at the top danceScape at home dance flow, danceScape at home dance tone. You can look at this in 2 different ways. You can either just click on the link, what you see in blue, or you can view workout. Those 2 both work the same. So let's click on the actual bar of that. What we see here is now all the classes in that category. When you're in here now, you have a shortened version at the top, or you can scroll down for the more detailed information below that, but it is actually all the same. So if I'm just going to click in the first option, I'm going to click on the little video screen, set that to play. And we see this is a Dance Tone Monday class. If I want this to play, just mouse over the arrow in the middle of the screen. I'll just set it to go. And it's going to start playing your video. Now, I'm going to just stop this for a moment. If you want to pause, go to the left-hand corner of the screen to pause. If you want to increase the size of this screen, basically go to the little rectangular box on the right-hand side of the video screen, click on that. That will take you to the full screen of the video itself. Okay. Now, to actually minimize the screen, find the escape button on your keypad and press that. It will minimize it back into the original screen that you went into. So that is the navigation around the actual video screen itself. And if you want to get rid of it completely, there's the X that's on the top right-hand side of this box. You can just select the X, takes you back to that original screen where you can then scroll through and choose whichever other videos that you want to look at. So it's a fairly easy process of having to be able to look at your replays. This is also a place where people can go to. If you go in here and say, I'm just going to just go on that again, you can take the image that you see here and cast it to your television. So this is actually a pretty good size of screen on the laptop. But of course, if you're in a room and you're wanting to get some distance between you and the screen and you want a bigger screen, casting it to your television is the best way to go, the best way to view the classes. But if you only have a laptop or an iPad, this is a great way as well. All right, so I'm just going to back out of here. And that's basically it. Don't forget to sign out. So the top right-hand corner with the arrow, if you just drop that down, the very last option there is to sign out. Just click on that. It will take you right out of the program. If you have any questions about the information for how to access the monthly or annual replays of your online video series, just go talk to us at events@dancescape.com and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, thanks a lot. Bye for now. We'll see you.